on your screen, and today we bring us back a brand new video. And today's video is we're gonna be sanding down the hood. I already started on it, as you can see, and this video is being recorded right after the one from the fender. As you can see, I already finished that corner, and well, I finished the whole thing already. It just looks like that because I just put water on it, sanded it down so it's smooth, and I'm about to start sanding down the hood. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright, my program. So this is what all I could do for today. Tomorrow, obviously, we're gonna hit it harder. But right now, I gotta go out somewhere, and so yeah, let's get the truck back where it goes, and let's go take a shower and get out of here. I'm not gonna record this in this video. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go record it in another video. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow when I'm sanding the rest of the hood down. So peace. Alright, my pro gang, second day, let's hit it harder. Alright guys, so I know we already started, but what I'm just trying to do is just trying to smooth out the hood, because I'm going to get a new one either way. So right now I'm just trying to smooth it out and then just going to paint over it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not going to go all the way like I did the fenders. So yeah. Alright, my bro gang, so I just finished off what I was gonna do. Right now I'm about to wet sand it down. Smooth. So like I was saying, I'm about to wet sand it down so it's smooth, and then it can get painted. Not yet, but by the time it gets painted, it'll be perfect. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, my bro gang, so we just finished off the hood. It's smooth now. Like I said, we're just leaving it like this because we're gonna spray primer over the whole truck once I'm finished with it. But that's just for now. And then once I'm gonna paint it, I'm gonna get the hood and the grill and stuff like that. Cause this grill's already messed up. Like right here has a little bump right there, and it really has bumps all over the place. Like right here, one right there, one right here, one right there. Like I said, once I actually gonna paint it, that's when I'm gonna get the hood and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Finished off the hood. Got this fender, that fender, this is the hood. Next off is either the doors or the cab. So yeah, my bro gang, make sure to leave a like down below if you like this. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on that bell notification button to be notified when I drop a brand new video. Share this video with all your friends and family. Comment down below what color I'm painting the truck. And actually, someone actually commented in the first video of sending my truck down part 1 and actually guessed it. So yeah, my bro gang, it's been real and I'm out. Peace.